Today we have a really special Jaguar, a 1960 Mark II that is truly a wolf in sheep's clothing, having been done by Beacham of New Zealand, and with XJR 8 modern internals and engine. So is it a Mark II or is it? We're gonna take it for a ride. Alrighty, well, we're going to do our cold start, and I'm gonna move the electric seat up, fire her up. She doesn't exactly sound like a 1960 Mark II, but and look at this. Steering wheel can be set telescopically. It's really cool. I mean, an XJR 8 supercharged engine under the bonnet. Retro but modern. I've always loved these. We've owned a few over the years. Just cool in every way because it's beyond usable. I kind of almost want to use this for a vintage rally as a sleeper. Room for 4. You can swat the kids in the back there, you know, like one of these. Radio, air conditioning, heating system, power. It is just neat. Electric windows, electric mirrors. This one's going to be fun on the FFR road, I gotta say, when we stand on this puppy. Well, we're warming her up. We could try everything about this. Oh, here, look, there's a nice little sport setting. Air conditioning that blows extremely cold. How about that for 1960 Jag? Heated seats. Hazard switch, which you probably would end up using in the 1960 Mark II more often than in this puppy. Let's close this so it looks nicer. Open that. Hello. Hello. Well, we just figured we'd show you how cool this is in a vintage Jag Mark II. Bam. How neat is that? I think we're going to leave it open for a little while. Because it's a lovely brisk day, but we have a heater, we have all the modern amenities, and we have open air. Well, she is warmed up. We're going to drive through suburbia a little bit. We're going to watch this. Watch how cool this is. Down, up. Works quickly. Brakes are exceptional. Has ABS brakes. It's really just a neat car to drive because it has all the looks of vintage cars, modern. I can't wait to run down the curvaceous road because this thing handles quite a lot different than a standard Mark II. Hi, Mr. FedEx man. I think I might have to drive this home tonight. Here we go. We'll power steering, turn onto the curvaceous road, get on it a little bit. It is really fun to drive. It's lovely because it actually goes extremely quick, yet it actually brakes well and corners with the best of them. Pretty neat. It's actually really fun to the twisties. make a right here and let Jason out for our flybys. Well, let's put the window up. Hope you guys enjoyed those flybys. I certainly did. This thing goes really, really, really well. Let's put that window up. I really want to do a standing start because it's so cool. But sanity is getting the better of me. But we'll be on the farm road in a couple of minutes, and we will definitely stand on it quickly, show you a exhilarating acceleration run, because it is. And then we're gonna wash her up, detail her, and put her away as we do. Next stop, farm road, the FFR road. Okay, well, here we go. We're going to turn the radio on, have some tunes. Little Elton John. So, as you can see, you can cruise across continents in this one. And when you want to get on it, just wants to go. So it's beyond cool. It's fun. It's a 4-seater. It is a sleeper because it is a hot rod in absolutely every sense of the word. So, as we said, we're going to clean her up and put her in the showroom. Hope you enjoyed the road test.